Hello learners and students. Today I am going to talk about a character sketch of Fitzwilliam Darcy. Fitzwilliam Darcy is one of the important characters of the novel Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. Fitzwilliam Darcy is a dynamic personality. He has many features and characteristics. Let me talk about some of the important features and characteristics of Fitzwilliam Darcy. First of all, Fitzwilliam Darcy is a central character of the novel. He is the protagonist of the novel. A protagonist is one, say, a character who faces challenges in life, who meets many odds and oddities in life, and comes over them boldly, happily. Such a character is called protagonist of a novel or of a play. As a matter of fact, Fitzwilliam Darcy is a protagonist of Pride and Prejudice. He faces challenges that come up in his life very happily and very boldly. He is not cowed down with the problems that he faces in his life. Fitzwilliam Darcy comes to live in the neighborhood of Elizabeth Bennet. Elizabeth Bennet is 5 sisters. They are daughters of Mr. and Mrs. Bennet. Mr. and Mrs. Bennet has a tremendous task, important task, to marry off all his or her daughters one by one. Mr. Bennet is a gentleman. He is very kind, sympathetic, and optimistic. But Mrs. Bennet, Elizabeth Bennet, is or Miss Bennet, Mrs. Bennet is opposite Mr. Bennet. She is a desperate lady. She has nothing to do but always thinks of the marriage of her 5 daughters. She is always worried for the marriage of her 5 daughters. She makes plan after plan to have better marriage, suitable husbands for her daughters. This is the whole and sole aim of Mrs. Elizabeth Bennet. Another important characteristic or feature of Fitzwilliam Darcy is that Fitzwilliam Darcy knows how to lead life in a very beautiful way. He lives happily among the people in his neighborhood. He is very cordial with his friends and people of his locality. He is genial, cordial, and mixing. He is a very important person of the locality where he dwells or where he lives. Fitzwilliam Darcy has come to live in the neighborhood of Mrs. Bennet. Mrs. Bennet are 5 daughters. They are young girls. They are all marriageable. So they always think of their husbands, their beloveds, their partners. They are preoccupied with the idea or ideas of their settlement in life. Again, Fitzwilliam Darcy has boldness, say courage to face the challenges and oddities of life. When a problem or challenge comes to his life, he tackles it wisely, he overcomes it wisely, and he manages the affairs very cleverly. Thus, Fitzwilliam Darcy is a very dynamic personality of the novel. He is a very important character of the novel. He is a great protagonist of the novel. He fights the oddities and odds of life in a very beautiful manner. Thank you very much.